So one of the things that you can do in Microsoft Sway is to embed different website components using the embed card. So over here, to use the embed card, I'm just going to go around. I'm already here in a Sway storyline. So I'm just going to add in a new card right here. And then I'm going to go on to media right here. And in media, you can see that embed is an option. So if I were to click on embed card right here, so it says you can embed 3D contents, videos, tweets, and everything else right here. So you can embed, let's say, for example, Google Maps and everything according to what you want. So over here, there are only limited things that you can embed. So you cannot directly enter HTML code and expect it to work. Over here, I already have an embed code copied for one of my YouTube videos. So let us just paste that out here and let's see how that looks. So if I were to go over here and paste my embed code, you can see that it's an iframe code right here. So you can see the frame right here. You can see the frame border. And this is the default within height. So if you're familiar with HTML code, then you can make the changes. If you're not familiar with HTML code, then no worries. You can get the iframe embed code from different websites. So it can be SlideShare, it can be YouTube, it can be Vimeo. So you can just get it from there and paste it here. So once you paste it, you can choose the size, and then your video will be updated. So you can see that it's my tutorial on Trello and it has been updated right here according to what I embedded. So if I were to go to design, you can see that my YouTube video has been embedded right there. And I can choose the size, of course, and then it'll be available right here. So it'll get updated and it'll show up as a big video, as you can see right here. So that is how you can use the embed card to embed different websites in Microsoft Sway. So as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.